Hello everyone, I'm Kenneth from Swanz. Today I'm very happy to announce that we have finally created our best porcelain thermal bottle that we have ever made. And thank you very much for all the support and valuable feedback. We have collated more than 3,000 surveys so far. And once again, I'm here to consolidate the top 5 FAQ that we have obtained from the survey. And the first question on the list is, what are the differences between Kokoro Plus against other porcelain thermal bottle in the market? To answer this question, what we are trying to achieve is, we are trying to solve the 3 main issues that has been troubling porcelain bottles for all these years. The first issue will be the sustainability issue. Second issue will be the ease of washing, and the last will be the weight issue. So to solve the sustainability issue, we intentionally created our porcelain insert to be removable, that if you ever break your porcelain, you can easily replace it. And we are also providing a 180 days warranty against any porcelain breakage. And what I have with me are 2 standard porcelain bottles as we can see in the market. The current assemble method for other porcelain bottles, they are actually using glue, which they apply a layer of glue at the exterior of the porcelain and they insert into the stainless steel. Hence, if you ever break your porcelain bottles, you will have to discard the whole bottle, and there will never be a situation where they can be able to help you to replace or repair the broken porcelain. And the next issue will be the ease of washing. By able to remove the porcelain, as you can see, there wouldn't be any dead ends or hidden corners that germs can be trapped on. This allows our porcelain bottle can be easily washed. And similarly for other porcelain bottles, there are gaps in between the porcelain and the stainless steel. Especially after prolonged usage, the gaps might actually get bigger and bigger when the glue starts to get disintegrate. That will actually allow more germs to be trapped in between the gaps, making it very unhygienic. And the last issue we are trying to solve will be the heavy weight issue. As a porcelain lover myself, I love drinking from the porcelain, especially using porcelain to drink hot tea or hot coffee. It's easy to wash, it doesn't trap any stains. But what happens if we wanted to travel light? That's where we provide an option for our user to use the stainless steel. As you can see, it's polished, the interior stainless steel, and it's made of 304 food grade stainless steel. Now you can travel light if you ever want to by putting water. And the second question on the list, will the stainless steel sustain scratches since the porcelain can be removed repeatedly? And is it easy to remove the porcelain? And let us do the demonstration right now. As you can see, the moment when I push the porcelain in, you rarely or cannot really hear the friction between the porcelain and the stainless steel. It is because the abrasion and the friction coming from the porcelain and the stainless steel is being resolved by having this thick layer of silicone, which acts as a form of protection at the same time. As you can see, the inner stainless steel is also polished, so there wouldn't be any possibility it will scratch the inner stainless steel easily. And removing the porcelain is extremely easy at the same time. Hence, we have been spending a lot of time to design the porcelain to make it compatible, to be able to place into the stainless steel easily, and take out easily at the same time. And the third question, is it convenient to carry the bottle around? And is there any straw that comes with it? So what I have with me, the Kokoro Plus, there's actually a hidden silicone handle, and it can withstand at least 5 kg of weight. So this will make carrying easily, and you can simply tuck it back. And at the same time, you can opt for an optional cap, and it will come with a Triton straw at the same time. So it will make drinking a lot more convenient. It also comes with the handle. The fourth question is it really leak proof, since the bottle can be used on both the stainless steel and also when the porcelain is inside? And is it easy for the water to seep in between the porcelain and the stainless steel? Okay, first of all, the way we design the porcelain, as you can see from the edges, it actually protrudes out. So when it's being tucked, inserted and rests onto the stainless steel, that leaves tiny gaps for the water to seep in between. But yes, there will still be a possibility of droplets of water seeping between the stainless steel and the porcelain, since it's not being glued on, and hence being able to remove the porcelain for washing will be something very handy. And now I'm going to do a leak proof test. So what I have with me is a stainless steel version of the Kokoro Plus, and also with the porcelain inside. So as you can see from the smoke, this is at least about 85 degrees of hot water. Let's fill it to at least 60%. Close it tight. You can see there isn't any droplets of water dripping. And now let's use the same cap so once again, there isn't any leakage, and yes, it's perfectly leak proof when you use it for both material. And something to share about the way we design the silicone ring, it's actually elongated, and there's a tiny dish at the center. That's how we actually design the silicone to make it compatible for both material. And the last question on the list will be, is it really break resistant, and how we actually achieve it? So for the past 5 years, we've been studying different methods on how to make our bottles more durable. And this time round, we achieve it by having 3 layers of protection. The first layer of protection is by having a hollow silicone ring to protect the base of the porcelain. And the second layer of protection is by having a thick layer of grooved silicone, which protects the center of gravity of the porcelain. And finally, the last layer of protection, which is the most fragile part of the porcelain, is actually the edges of the porcelain. That's where we beef up the thickness of the cap by having another thickened layer of stainless steel inside the cap and adding additional insulation protective layer inside the cap at the same time. That will actually protect the top of the porcelain. So now I'm going to do the break test. And what I have with me is a black color Kokoro Plus, which is the one I'm going to test. So as you can see, a loud thud sound, and there are some external damages on the cap and also the base of the exterior bottle. And let's check if it breaks. No, it's intact. The porcelain is intact. And once again, this is how we try to make our bottles more break resistant. But a word of caution is it is still subjected to certain uncertainty like concrete floor or tile floor, and also the impact and the height of the bottle is being dropped. Thank you very much, and we hope you enjoy using Kokoro Plus as much as I did. Do feel free to comment on the video below if you have any inquiry, and we will do our best to answer all of them.